Hello friends, today I'll tell you a few ways how we can make money online. There are several ways and I will tell you some of the ways. Number one, number one best option to make money online is by selling online. It is the best source of revenue generation. If you have got something to sell, then this is the best way to make money online. There are number of portals are there where you can sell your product online. Make sure here you can see the balance amount and the sale purchase recent payment that has been given. Second, make videos and post them on YouTube. This is the second best way, and here you can see my estimated revenue. There are several drawbacks which you have to take in account. That is, you have to make an original content. Do not, I'll tell you again, you have to make an original content only. Do not make any content which might be unsafe for viewing. That means that do not make any content that is for adults. You might be getting my point. You will get reviewed after reaching a minimum 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This means that your content has to be very good and has to be very popular. Third, third option to make money is by short links. Here you can see my earnings as $1.33. Yeah, so this is also a way by which we can make money. We have to post short links on our website or portal. We have to use short links on our own website or blog only. One of the best sources to generate revenue if you have a good number of visitors on your website or blog. Uh, there is one drawback that Google will stop showing your page or blog if you share short links. Uh, so your content won't be searchable. And there are several disadvantages of short links also. Do not use them on social networking sites. Do not use in emails. Do not use in comments on popular websites. These are considered as spams. So be very careful where you have to use. Popular websites could flag your short links as a spam and may even block your content account because you use short links that redirect to a different website than the URL source. Some of the websites detect this and could mark your content as spam as they consider it as spam. You have to be very careful in how you use it. Fourth, connect your website or blog to Google AdSense. If you yeah, here you can see my earnings as $0.1. It is very less. I know it is only a start, and I hope it grows. But yeah, these are the four options I could find, which I have shared with you. I hope you will like it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.